Alright, so floating center caps are a useless mod, but that doesn't take away from the appeal of them. I saw some TikToks of people 3D printing their own, so I decided to take a crack at it. I decided to do a complete replacement of my center caps instead of modifying the current ones that were on there. I've seen where people like cut off the tabs and stick them on to their floating assembly. I didn't want to do that just in case I wanted to revert back to the stock ones. What I did do was take the measurements off of the stock one to try to recreate them first. I did that by checking out some YouTube tutorials on how to actually make a center cap. I'll link them below. What I did first was make the replacement center cap, and then I modified that from there to include the pieces that I needed. I tried to originally do this in 3 pieces, but due to the limitations of my abilities, I ended up doing 4 pieces for my floating center cap assembly. The top layer is the face of the cap, which has a raised edge and letters. I wanted something similar to the gel caps Kansei offers, but different enough that it stood out. I ended up finding the Miata font and doing the Kansei name in the Miata font. What I did was I went over that with a yellow reflective, like a yellow gold reflective vinyl. Then what I did was I took some epoxy resin and I poured it over it very slowly in order to give it that dome shape. It's kind of like when you pour water onto a penny and that surface tension like kind of makes it bubble out. That's what I did with the epoxy, and it ended up working really great. You just don't want too much or else it'll spill over. The second layer is just a flat circle, like a disc with the shaft that comes out, and that's what's going to go through the actual base of the center cap and into the counterweight. The third layer is the piece that makes contact with the wheel and it houses the bearing. I made it with more tabs than the original had because I didn't have the original tension ring in there to kind of hold it in place, so I ended up putting more actual like tabs to make sure it's stuck in there. It's been holding up for months already, and I've driven highway speeds at like 75 miles plus, so I even actually broke one tab off when I was installing it on accident, and it's still holding. The last layer is the counterweight with a small rectangle cutout, which I glued a piece of metal into. I used a 2-part JB Weld epoxy for the assembly. It's made for metal to plastic contact. This stuff has held pretty well. I got all these center caps put together, and when I went to go install them, the front ones went on just right. They were perfect because that's the measurements that I took were for the front and for the center caps that I was, replacing. The rear, on the other hand, I ended up running into an issue with the axle nut. It was making contact with the counterweight, so what I did was I used a Dremel with some burr bits and just kind of, went at it until I shaved it down enough to clear. The results aren't perfect, but they do work, I think. I'm going to do a video of it moving in a little bit. If I was going to make these again, I'd probably use a better quality bearing, as well as try a little bit heavier of a counterweight, and also make sure that everything is clearanced. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the results. If you like how they turned out, maybe consider leaving a thumbs up, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.